Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If the menus, voice guidance, or on screen options connected to your Xfinity service are displaying in a language you'd like to change, the adjustment can usually be made through your Xfinity TV settings. While the Xfinity remote is used to navigate these options, the actual language preference is typically controlled through the connected Xfinity system rather than the remote itself. The process only takes a few moments and can make navigation much easier if the current language isn't your preferred choice. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change the language using an Xfinity remote. Try these. Step 1. Press the menu button on the Xfinity remote. Step 2. Open settings using the Xfinity remote. Step 3. Navigate to language options with the Xfinity remote. Step 4. Select your preferred language using the Xfinity remote. Step 5. Confirm the selection with the Xfinity remote. Step 6. Verify the language change using the Xfinity remote.